this video, I'm gonna take you through the entire process of building a successful Shopify dropshipping business from scratch. This is a 1-week Shopify dropshipping challenge. I'll reveal literally every detail from A to Z. At the end of this week, I'll show you how much money I made, hopefully over $10,000. And I'm not gonna spend any money for this experiment because I'm gonna use TikTok to promote my products. If you ask me why I choose TikTok, well, because TikTok organically pushes a new video to the viewer within a few days. On the other hand, if you go with Instagram and post new videos, it takes months to get good amount of views. So that's why I'll be using TikTok for this experiment. This is my personal experience in TikTok. Whenever I create a new account on TikTok and post a new video, those videos getting good amount of view every single time when I post it. The first step in any business to finding a good product to sell. I'm looking for a product that's in a high demand and has that wow factor that makes people want to buy it. To find such a product, I'm also using TikTok, which has helped me a lot in the past. On TikTok, search for Amazon Find and scroll to the post. Any video with lots of likes and comments is a potential winning product that I might test out. After just 15 minutes of search, I found the product that I think will sell really well. And this is a flame humidifier, whatever you call it. This is in a high demand, and you can see, and has that wow factor as well. Now it's time to find a supplier. I used to rely on AliExpress. However, the shipping time took way too long, which affects my customer wait time. So I switched to 𝘃𝗁𝗃𝗃 with millions of product listing to choose from with a fast shipping supplier. And if you look at the 𝘃𝗁𝗃𝗃, you can see that this flame humidifier is available here, and this is only for $20, which is actually pretty good. So if I can get the product for $20, I can probably sell it on my store about $34. And the next step is to build an online store using Shopify. I'll go over some tips and tricks to make the process as smooth as possible. You'll find a Shopify link in the description box of this video. You can start your 14-day free trial with Shopify, and good thing there is no credit card required. After setting up my Shopify account, I do not need to focus on building the entire website, as the customer will redirect it to the product page. Now it's time to connect Shopify with 𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃. You can do this by installing the 𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 app from Shopify App Store, or you can directly go to 𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 and from there add the Shopify store link and connect them. In order to import the product from 𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 to Shopify, I simply open 𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 product page, and from there I'll simply click on add the product to import list. I'll go inside the import list, and then I simply click on push to store button, and my product will be imported to my Shopify online store. Now I'm going to work on to optimizing my product page. I want it to look more professional and convincing so that customers are more likely to buy it. And here I need to focus on the optimization for this product page. To do that, I need to add some high quality images and convincing product description. If I could, I will add some customer reviews as well. In addition to that, I also need to work on setting up my payment gateway and shipping method. I'll be using PayPal for payment process because it is easy to set up. And I'm gonna set up a free shipping for this product. This will be beneficial because 40 to 60% of people buy the product that has a free shipping. I'm gonna install some more apps on my Shopify store. These are the list. You can install them as well if you are following this video. These apps helped me a lot in the past. They solve many problems like abandoned card recovery, upsell, and payment hold with PayPal. So I'm going to speed this video up, and I'll come back once I finish building my Shopify store. Alright, I just finished building my Shopify store. It only took me 60 minutes. Now I need to create a new TikTok account, but for that I need a brand name. I'm going to ask ChatGPT write 50 unique brand name for TikTok account where I sell my flame humidifier. Alright, there are so many to choose from. I'll go with this brand name. Next, I need to create a TikTok profile picture or logo for my brand. To create a logo, I'm gonna use Canva free account. In Canva, search for logo design. There are so many to choose from. I'll choose this one, and I'm gonna customize this logo as per my liking. So my logo design has been finished. Now I need to download. Just simply I'm gonna click on the share button and click on the download button, and I can download my logo. Alright, now I have a brand name and I have a profile picture for my TikTok account. You can add animated profile picture if you want. If you want to learn how to create animated profile picture, you can go to the description box or maybe somewhere right here. Coming back to TikTok here, I'm going to add the profile picture. I'm going to type my brand name, and I just want to make sure that my TikTok account should be business account. Next, add some bio. In the bio, you cannot add your website URL unless you have 1000 followers. However, you can add your website link over there, but that link can't be clickable. So finally, my TikTok account has been created as well within a day. I plan to post 4 videos every day for whole week. Hopefully, if one video go viral, I'll make more than $1,000 with single product. So that's the plan for day 1. From now, I'll post 3 or 4 videos every day, and I'll see you with the results. Welcome back, guys. This is the last day of this week, and you can see on the screen many of my videos got lots of views and comments. People are interested to buy this product. So that being said, this is my result. Alright, this is the last day of this week, and this is my result that I'm going to show you. Look at my phone, and here you can see this is my Shopify app. And if I scroll down, refresh the page, you can see this is my earning. And if I go to my dashboard, and here you can see, and today, as you can see, I got more than $5,000 with single product. If I just go to calendar, hit apply, and you can see this is my earning. If you want to achieve the similar result, make sure to follow exact same strategy that I've did in this whole week. First, do a product research and then make sure you choose the right supplier. In this video, I choose 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. Why? Because 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 has proven to be a better platform for this dropshipping business. In the third step, optimize your store, and finally promote your product using TikTok. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And don't forget to check out the dropshipping tutorial series that will be available in the video description and my channel as well. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.